Hi, this is Lisa from WPPO, and today we're going to be making wood-fired toasted cheese sandwiches in the Karma 32 pizza oven by WPPO. Start off by heating up your cast iron grill pan in the Karma pizza oven. Spread some mayonnaise on some nice white artesian bread. Now place 3 pieces of cheese on your bread, and today I've used sharp cheddar and Munster, and finish off with a nice sweet currant jelly. Put this in your Karma pizza oven and toast for about 5 minutes until golden brown. After 5 minutes, remove the pan, flip your bread, put it back into the oven, grill until golden brown for approximately 4 to 6 more minutes. Remove from the pizza oven, and then they're ready to serve. And this is how we make wood-fired toasted cheese sandwiches in the WPPO pizza oven, not just for pizza anymore.